Welcome to Autofocus Review. Today we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha YBR 125, a motorcycle that blends style, performance and affordability. Whether you're a daily commuter or a new rider, this bike promises a smooth ride and efficient performance. Let's explore everything that makes the YBR 125 a top choice for riders in 2025. Stylish and practical design. The 2025 Yamaha YBR 125 looks sharper than ever. Yamaha has given this model a sleeker fuel tank, updated decals, and an LED headlamp that not only enhances visibility but also adds a modern touch. Its lightweight frame and ergonomic seat design ensure comfort, even on long rides. The bike is compact yet spacious, making it ideal for city streets and highways. Powerful yet economical engine. Under the hood, the YBR 125 packs a reliable 125cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. Yamaha has fine-tuned it for better fuel efficiency and smoother acceleration. This engine produces 10.5 horsepower, which is perfect for zipping through traffic or cruising comfortably. Plus, the refined fuel injection system ensures better mileage and lower emissions, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious and eco-friendly riders. Enhanced riding experience. The YBR 125 offers an enjoyable ride, thanks to its balanced suspension system. The telescopic front forks and rear adjustable shocks absorb bumps with ease, giving you confidence on uneven roads. The bike's lightweight frame makes handling effortless, while the comfortable seat and upright riding position reduce fatigue. Whether you're weaving through traffic or taking a weekend trip, the YBR 125 delivers a smooth and stable performance. Safety features you can rely on. Yamaha hasn't skimped on safety. The 2025 YBR 125 comes with a front disc brake and rear drum brake, offering reliable stopping power in all conditions. The new anti-lock braking system ABS is a game-changer, providing extra control during sudden stops. Combined with its grippy tires, the YBR 125 is built for safe and steady riding. Technology and features. For 2025, Yamaha has added a modern digital analog display to the YBR 125. It shows real-time fuel consumption, a gear position indicator, and trip data, keeping you informed on the go. The USB charging port is another practical addition, allowing you to charge your devices while riding. These features make the YBR 125 a tech-savvy companion for modern riders. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. One of the YBR 125's biggest highlights is its fuel efficiency. With an average mileage of 55 to 60 kml, it's perfect for riders who want to save on fuel costs. Additionally, Yamaha's reputation for durability ensures that this bike requires minimal maintenance. Spare parts are widely available, and service costs are affordable, making it a hassle-free experience for owners. Pricing and final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha YBR 125 offers excellent value for its price. Starting at an estimated $2,500 price may vary by location, it's an affordable option for riders looking for quality and reliability. With its stylish design, efficient engine, and modern features, the YBR 125 continues to be a popular choice worldwide. Outro. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Yamaha YBR 125. Don't forget to subscribe to Autofocus Review for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new YBR 125 and which bike you want us to review next. Ride safe and see you in the next video.